In this video, I'm going to show you how to build sections in Carrd. Now, over here, as you can see, I have a random website with a bunch of different random things on here just to demonstrate how this works. And to actually build sections, basically sections are separate pages. So let me show you. You want to click on plus button and click on control down here, bottom right. And then you want to select a section break over here, which essentially is a section. And then you want to give it a name. So I'm going to give it a name page 1, okay? And I'm going to click on done. Now it's always going to be placed at the very bottom of your website over here. So whenever you add in a new element from now on, for example, a table, it's going to get added to a new site. So it's going to be essentially just a new page. This is the first page and this is now the second page. However, you don't have to do this because you can also just drag it anywhere in between those things over here. So for example, let's say the second page is now going to be from this part on, okay? So this one is page 0 and this one is now page 1 from this kind of bullet points over here to basically the end of this site. Now, to actually get there, so of course, if I now just basically create and save this, so if I publish this really quickly, click on publish, and if I now go to my website, there's actually no way to go to the second page right now, so it's just gonna show me this bit, as you can see, look, so you can't really go to the second one. That's why we need buttons to the second pages and the third pages and so on, and of course, these pages are actually just sections. Now, to do this, you have to just add in a button with a plus. You can click on button over here, and then you want to actually physically click on that button. And here, where it says URL, you simply want to add in the name of this page or this section. So page 1, for example, done. And then again, you want to save changes, publish them. And whenever you open up your site like this to view it, you can see when I click on this button now, it's going to take me to my second page, and that is how you actually build sections and use these page section features. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.